In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a dead clan here in Clash of Clans. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're looking to join or take over a dead clan here in Clash of Clans, here's how you can find them. Begin by tapping on your clan castle and tapping the clan button, and from here go to the clans tab up at the very top. There's going to be the search option here. Go ahead and click that and then select search options to bring up a bunch of different filters. Go ahead and set the number on this, which is going to be that member number, to 15. But you can do this actually from really any range of 1 to 15. But I think 15 is a good number overall because it filters for small and likely inactive clans. For the war frequency, go ahead and set it to rarely or never. And then for the option that says only clans I can join, turn that on. And for the minimum trophies, go ahead and set it to 0. From here, go ahead and tap save down at the very bottom and then hit search. And it's going to pull up a bunch of different clans. Scroll down through the results. The further you go, the more likely you're going to find dead clans with only 1 to 3 active members and the rest inactive. Hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and we greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.